Okay, students. So drugs concept today we are discussing. Okay, it is also one of the important concept. So when we are completely listening that, automatically you can easily get to know what is the side effects of these drugs. So let us we have to start that one. Drugs. So drugs are these are about other than medical use generally taking. But if these drugs are taken, what will be happen? It will be impair that one. These drugs are completely impairs physical comma physiological functions. Physiological functions they can impair. For starting, if you are take these drugs, okay, we'll get the relaxation from our stress. But day by day, if you are addicted to these drugs, means it causes slow poison and it causes the death of the human being also. So that much of very dangerous drugs today we are discussing. Okay, so they are impair the physiological functions of the our body, and it is also causes long lasting behavioral changes. This is also very important. Behavioral changes, their behavior also will be changed. Clear? Mainly physically, mentally, even social problems also arises by taking of these drugs to any person. Clear? So these are introduction, and today types of drugs we can discuss. Three type of drugs are there. These are taken other than medical use. This is very important. Other than medical use, nobody can suggest that one to take these drugs. If anybody will be take that one, these drugs means it causes dip. It will be suppressing the physiological functions. Suppose those are addicted to these drugs, means it is causes long lasting behavioral changes. That is okay. So in this one, what about the first type of drugs? Opioids. The first one is called opioids. What is an example for opioids? Opioids example is that is called morphine, and second one is heroin. Don't speak, it is heroin. Okay, now so heroin it is called. Okay, so in this one, heroin is also called diacetyl morphine. We can call diacetyl morphine. That is important. Clear? These opioids, not only opioids, abodu, cannabinoids, three type of drugs, you know. The first one is called opioids. Second type of drugs is cannabinoids. Third type of drugs is coca alkaloids. These three drugs are we are obtaining from plants or any other organism? Plants only. So like that, opioids we are obtaining from a plant. Come on, speak out what the name of the plant we are obtaining from opioids. Very good. That is called poppy plant. We can call common name is poppy plant. Scientific name is Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum. Question. It one time they're asked. Opioids are extracting from Papaver somniferum from which components? From which components we are extracting the opioids? Very good. Okay, no? So latex of poppy plant. Okay, no? So Papaver somniferum is also called them as poppy plant. It is also called poppy plant and the Kerala. Clear? So very important. Okay, now what is the effects? Are these opioids? These opioids later we can discuss one by one. What is morphine? What is heroin? We can discuss in detail. But opioids, if they will take, or which method they can take? Yes, okay, na. It will be uptake by, okay, na. Yes, uptaken by snorting and injection. By injection also we can take this. Snorting and injection. Na. What is meant by snorting? Deep inhalation. Correct? Deep inhalation or by injection also we can take these opioids. Clear? Suppose if we'll take that one, means what is the effects? What is the effects of these opioids? Very good. The first of all, generally first time if you'll take that from the body, generally they will get that from the little feeling, but later in their brain receptors are developed. Okay, na? Which one is developed? Receptors. Our receptors say what we can call opioid receptors will be developed. The opioid receptors, once they are developed in our body or once it will be developed in our brain, always our brain also think that one how to get this one opioids. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೋ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಬರೋಣ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ರೇವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಯೂತ್, ರೇವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಸೊ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಬೇಕಾವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. So that is called opioids, and opioids first effect is okay na. So they can binds to which receptor sites? Opioid receptors. Where it is present? Yes, in CNS and gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal tract means nothing but our alimentary canal. Correct? In our CNS and the central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract nalli which you developed opioid receptors are completely developed. Clear? Next, what will be happened? Suppose if you are addicted to these opioid drugs, if they will addicted to these opioid drugs, what type of changes? Inga, yes, it causes that one. These are causes that one. Which one? Depression. Next one, slow down the body functions. Slow down the body functions. How they can slow down the body functions? Let us, we have to discuss. Okay? Is it generally, this is about the nerve ending. Clear? This is called synaptic knob. Do you know the structure of the neuron? Yes. So axon terminal is end with a round knob-like structure. What is the name of this? Synaptic knob. Synaptic knob is completely bind with the dendrites or cell body of the next neuron. Dendrites, you see, are cell body of the next neuron. This is about the next neuron. This is clear. So now the impulse, if they will transmitted from one place to other place, compulsory here one of the junction is present between that one, the one neuron to another neuron. Can you speak out what is the name of the gap or what is the name of the junction? Very good. That is what we can call synapse or synapse. This synapse is formed by presynaptic membrane, postsynaptic membrane. Correct? Between that one small gap is present. What is the name? Synaptic cleft. Synaptic cleft. Clear? Once the impulses enter into the synaptic knob, once the impulses enter into the synaptic knob, already you know synaptic knob is consist of so many vesicles. Can you speak out what is the name of the vesicle? Synaptic vesicles. Synaptic vesicles are present in the synaptic knob. This is called synaptic knob. And what is present in this one? Come on now, acetylcholine is present, and but in our brain between the neurons, okay, same synapse also present, but yes, dopamines also one type of neurotransmitters. Dopamine jotege which one also neurotransmitter, that is called ACH will form acetylcholine. So when the impulse is entered here, immediately some of the channels are there on the synaptic knob, it will be open. Can you speak out which channels are open if the nerve impulse is enter into the synaptic knob? That is called calcium channels. Which channels? Calcium channel. So calcium channels, when they will open, command, which ions are entering to the synaptic knob? Calcium ions. So calcium ions are, when they will enter into the synaptic knob, they can push that one, the synaptic vesicle towards the presynaptic membrane. Okay, when these synaptic vesicles are completely come near to that one, the suppose this one is near to that one, the presynaptic membrane, and they release that one, their neurotransmitter, and these neurotransmitter can be go and bind to the next neuron. Yes, this is called postsynaptic membrane or not? E postsynaptic membrane mele what is the sites are present? Receptors. Now these acetylcholine, if they will touch that one or if they will completely bind to the receptors, immediately the impulse is transmitted to next neuron. This is generally happening in our brain. So one neuron to another neuron, the impulse will be transmission is takes place by this route. So very important, students. Mainly calcium channels influxes takes place during the impulse transmission from one neuron to another neuron. So here calcium ions channels will be open, but calcium channels will when it will be open means when the impulse is reach the synaptic knob. Here, what is the function of calcium ions in the synaptic knob? It will push that one, the synaptic vesicle, towards the which one? Presynaptic membrane. Then the synaptic vesicles are released the which transmitter? Acetylcholine or neurotransmitter. A neurotransmitter can be bind to the receptors of the postsynaptic membrane. Then only it will be transmit the impulses from neuron to neuron. Correct? This synapse is called chemical synapse or electrical synapse? Chemical or electrical? Chemical synapse. Why? Because neurotransmitter secretion is takes place. Clear? Suppose those who are taking opioid drugs, okay, so sequentially they are taking that one already in their brain only, already which receptors are developed that one? Opioid receptors are developed. This is called opioid receptors are developed. Clear? If any person will be take that one the opioid receptors, these opioids will be go and bind to the opioid receptors, and they can close that one the which channels? They close that one the which channels? Calcium channels. If the calcium channels are closed, if the impulse is entered, if the calcium channels are closed means what will be happening? Synaptic vesicles cannot move to the presynaptic membrane and they cannot release acetylcholine or neurotransmitter. That's why they cannot transmit the impulse. So that's why it is causes depression and slow down the body functions. Why? Because they are disturbing that one the impulse transmission in the neurons. So neurons nalli they will stop that one the transmission of the nerve impulse. Clear? Understood? Ekandre nama body nalli muscle contraction agbeku, muscle relaxation agbeku andre under the control of our brain only. Correct? You know sliding filament theory. Sliding filament theory is explain about the which concept? Muscle contraction and muscle relaxation. Like that, so one neuron to another neuron, compulsory impulses will be compulsory go and finally these impulses are reached at one the muscles. If they will reach the muscles only, muscles are get that one the action potential. Because of this action potential and muscle contraction is takes place. But here opioid receptors what they will do, and they will stop that one the impulse transmission. If they will stop the impulse transmission means totally body activities are not going under control, not going under systematic. That's why it leads to depression. It leads to that one the slow down the body functions. Even these opioid receptors also developed on the GIP, gastrointestinal tract. So gastrointestinal tract ಮೇಲೆ ಈ receptors completely formation ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ if I take that one the opioids and they won't get that one any hungry also. Understood? Because opioids only the food of that person. Opioids only the food of that person. Okay now, so that's why they won't take that one the additional food. Additional food means what is the regular food they are taking, they won't take. They will take only one and only one food, that is called opioid foods only they are taking. But opioids are giving the energy to their body, no? By taking the meals, by taking of, so what is the food we are taking regularly? That food only giving the energy, but not this. Like this, day by day. What are the physiological functions are there? It will be slow down. It leads to death also. Clear? So this is about the major effects. Major effects, opioid receptors are developed on the CNS and gastrointestinal tract. Question directly there. In the following drugs consumption is takes place that one the formation of receptors in the CNS and GIT and takshana. Okay, in 4 options what you have to think? Opioids idi anta think ಮಾಡಿ. Opioids illa andre at least adike examples are there. What is the example? Morphine and heroin. Okay, so this is the plant name also you have to remember. A plant mainly latex. So what is latex? You already know these morphine and heroin majoritarily opioids are mainly extracted, mainly we are somebody these Papaver somniferum they are completely cultivating the plants illegally. Correcta? Indiaದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ plants cultivate ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರೆ okay they will take that one the action. But in other countries this one is legalized, right? If you go that one the Afghanistan only their economy is more depend upon these opioids only. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋರ್ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್ಘನಿಸ್ತಾನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೀರ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಕಾನಮಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲಿ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮಾರ್ಫಿನ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಫಿನ್ಸು ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆರಾಯಿನ್. And one more is also example is there codeine, CODEIN. Codeine also one of the example for these opioids. Codeine also important tilkoli. Okay. So morphines. The morphines formula enandre that is called C17H19 and that is NO3. This is about the morphine anta karithivi. C17H19 NO3 it is a empirical formula of the morphine. Morphine in little dose nalli this morphine is completely used as, very good, it is completely used as which one? The sedative and painkiller in surgery time nalli patient ge pains barbardu means what? Muscle pains agodu, okay na? ಬರಿಬಾರದು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಫಿನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಫಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡೋಸ್? ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡೋಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡೋಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಪೇನ್ ಕಿಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಡೇಟಿವ್. ಸೆಡೇಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? Sleeping tablets. Sleeping tablets also generally contain little amount of the morphine only. Little amount of the morphine also present. Understood? Because somebody is suffering from insomnia. Insomnia meaning ಏನು? Sleeplessness. ದುಡ್ಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೀಪೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೇನು ಆ ದುಡ್ಡು, ಓಕೆ. ಆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಡೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇನ್ ಕಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Sedative means what? Okay, sleeping. It is caused that on the sleeping, and painkiller in the surgery also it is completely using now. Okay. Again, now we are discussing about heroin. So heroin we can also call brown sugar anta karitira. Heroin is also called what? Brown sugar. It is also called smack antanu karibodra. One more name for heroin is smack. SMACK. Smack anta karitira. Smack. So heroin. Heroin we can also call smack. How it is looks like? Smack is commonly generally white, yes, odorless, bitter nature, and crystalline form. We can easily find out the sugar brown sugar we can easily find out yakandre heroin we can also call brown sugar. So brown sugar, clear? And this heroin it is also same functions. Just before I said, if anybody will take that one the more doses, same it will be also can bind to the opioid receptors in the CNS. It is also cause that one the depression and slow down the body functions. Clear? So these about the heroin. Okay, next one codeine. Codeine, one more is a. It is also one more opioid drug. But the codeine is generally used in the cough syrup. Cough syrup nalli use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Cough syrup. So very very important. Codeines are used in the cough syrup. So these are about the three type of opioids: morphine, heroin, codeine. So all opioids are we are extracting from Papaver somniferum. Mainly which part of the Papaver somniferum means latex. In latex andre generally you already saw that one that is yes, rubber plant or this one papaya. papaya plant yaar visible. So unripened fruit just you have to cut. So milk like fluid will becomes, that is also called latex. So like that, from the fruits of this Papaver somniferum, that latex is they are extracted, and they can conduct that one acetylation. They conduct what? Acetylation. After the acetylation only, we'll get that one, this morphine and heroin. Okay. But in this one, which one is called diacetyl morphine? Heroin is called them as diacetyl morphine. That is important. And codeine also one of the semi-synthetic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay. So it is commonly used in the cough syrup, and heroin it is. But heroin is very dangerous. But morphine is some more useful to us because it is used in the painkiller tablets. Painkiller tablets nalli sedative or sleeping tablets nalli ಈ morphine is completely using that. ಅಷ್ಟೇರಾ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Okay, no need to read more concept. Okay, so opioids are completely over. Then we can go for second type of drugs. Speak out. Cannabinoids. 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 The cannabinoids, can you give the examples of cannabinoids? Different types are there. Okay, no? Yes, ganja, charas, hashish, yes, marijuana, okay, it is the best example. Hashish, charas, ganja, marijuana, it is the best example for cannabinoids. The cannabinoids we are obtained from, yes, from the plant, mainly inflorescence of which one? The cannabis sativa. Cannabis sativa, this pollen name is very important. Cannabis sativa, not only from inflorescence, even flower tops and leaves and resins. From the resins also we have to extract, we can extract that one cannabinoids. Okay. And one thing I forgot, opioids atomic structure I can give. Why? Because one time they are given atomic structure given. They are given the atomic structure of the morphine. Morphine atomic structure they are given. Morphine atomic structure they are given. So what is the function of that anta kottidra? So just it is not more, just this about the atomic structure. It will be looks like this. Here also it will be. Okay, so this is about atomic structure. Simple ಆಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So this is the morphine. I already given the formula of morphine. Morphine formula I given C17H19NO3. NO3, it is the empirical formula of the morphine. Sometimes they can ask empirical formula also. Don't leave any point from your textbook. Clear? Enough. ಈಗ cannabinoids. So cannabinoids example. What is the example for cannabinoid? Means these are all are the example. Clear? Come on, in which mode we can consume? What is the mode of consumption? Mode of consumption. Yes, consumption. Yes, same here also. By which one? Snoring. By snoring. Yes. And next one in the ingestion. Oral ingestion. So these are about the different mode of different modes. And what is the major effects? This is important. What is the effects of these cannabinoids? Same, right? It is also binds to which one? Receptors. Receptors. Which receptors? Cannabinoid receptors. Cannabinoid receptors in brain. Suppose the excessive taking of this one, excessive dosage, what it causes? Yes, it is very, very dangerous. Cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular diseases. Next, even bronchitis also. Bronchitis, even lung cancer also. Lung cancer also it causes. That is about the main effects. Clear? Same, right? Cannabinoids also diagram they are given like this. Okay. So cannabinoids like this, they are completely given. So this is called cannabinoids. So cannabinoid diagram idu mainly empirical. This is about the atomic structure of the cannabinoids. So cannabinoids is more consumption, it causes that one cardiovascular diseases, bronchitis, and it is also causes which one? Lung cancer. Lung cancer. Idra cannabinoids. Cannabinoids ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ major. ಈಗ last third type of diseases we are discussing. What about third type? Coca alkaloids. Coca alkaloids. Yes. What is the example? Cocaine, even dextrine. Dextrine. Yes. ಈ cocaine generally what we can call that is called coke or crack ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. Coke or crack ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So smack ಅಂತ which one is we can call? Opioids. Opioids is called smack. Very, very important. Confuse abedi. And coke or crack is generally calling as coca alkaloids. E coca alkaloids are we are obtaining from one plant. What is the name of that plant? Erythroxylum coca. Erythroxylum coca. From this plant, and we are obtaining these coca alkaloids. Correct? Very, very important. Guys. The last year KCT question. Coca alkaloids origin where? South America. South America. Okay? Be more. Yes, these coca alkaloids. And what are the effects? Effects of these coca alkaloids. So main is they can interfere. What they can interfere? Interfere the transmission of. Yes. Okay now. Yes, it is interfere the transmission of neurotransmitter. What is the neurotransmitter? Yes, neurotransmitter, that is dopamine. That's why it causes what? Yes, it causes continuous stimulation. Continuous stimulation of nerve impulse. Continuation impulse. Stimulation of nerve impulse it causes. That's why it leads to which one? Hallucination. Hallucination, it causes the hallucination. What is meant by hallucination? What is meant by hallucination? Yes, they can imagine, they can see, and they can hear also. What is the thing is not going on in front of him, he will think that one is going on. That is what we can call hallucination. It is generally calling as hallucination. So these hallucination main karan andre, okay. And one more thing, it is always activating the CNS. Same, this is the situation is going on here. You see, this is called the as synaptic knob. Same, this is also called postsynaptic membrane. Clear? And here in the inside the brain, yes, what is the name of the neurotransmitter is present here? Dopamines. Generally in our brain, which one is present? Dopamines are present. Once the nerve impulses enter, dopamines are released. Dopamines are released into which one? Into the synaptic cleft. Then it will be binds to the which one? Receptors present in the postsynaptic membrane. Once these dopamines are released to outside and they will bind to the receptors, the impulse is transmitted. After that, again these dopamine will be come back. Dopamines will be come back to that one, the synaptic vesicle. But those who are taking excessive coca alkaloids, what will be happen means, you see, already synaptic vesicles are releasing that one, the dopamines, that one they can block now. Once they are releasing to outside, again they will come back. After the transmission of the nerve impulse, dopamines are come back to the synaptic vesicle. But here what is happened, those are taking the coca alkaloids, it will be blocked that one, the re-entry of the dopamines into the synaptic vesicle. That's why dopamines are remains in the synaptic cleft only. If they will remaining in the synaptic cleft, what is happened, always they are completely bind with that one, always bind with that one, the receptors. If they will bind with the receptors means continuously they are causing that one, the nerve impulse transmission. That's why they are in exciting mode. That's why they are exciting mode. This is called what? Hallucination. Okay, na? And it causes that one, euphoria. Euphoria means what? Yes, yes, long lasting happiness. Okay, na? So that is called strong feeling of happiness. Strong feeling of happiness ಅಂತ ಕರಿದ್ವಿ. So that is what we can call euphoria. Euphoria ಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, yes, this one also. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ in their life, somebody person, some even celebrities also in their life, in their career, they are facing some struggles to forgetting that one, to forget that struggles, and they are first to sample by sample they are taking these drugs. After that one, they are addicted to these drugs. Recently, Shah Rukh Khan's son also completely catched in that one rave party. Understood? So that's why beware of these drugs. Okay? So if you are completely go to your further education, further studies, definitely in every college also means what? Majority, okay? And those management are not good in those colleges, and these smuggling business will be generally going on. Even some students only they are doing this work to get that one, the additional money. So that's why for only first they are giving that one free of cost only, they will give that one the drugs. Understood? After you are getting the addiction from that drugs means again they are asking the money. Correct? So for the buying of the drugs, and you can steal, but you can't earning any money. Your parents also won't give that money to you, because every day they are asking, every day you are asking means one day they will give, 2 days also they will give, but third day they won't give that one. But in that time, if you are addicted to these drugs means you can start that one, the stealing also. You can do the robberies also. That so that much of very danger. Why? Because your brain will be thinking always about the drugs only. You already saw in so many movies drug addicted person psychology engiruttanda. Understood? Drug addicted person psychology, it's completely they are always thinking, yeah, that mind only. Clear? So these are about coca alkaloids. So coca alkaloids are commonly interfere that one. What? Okay. So what they are interfere? Transmission of the nerve or neurotransmitter like dopamines, and it causes what? Continuation, stimulation of the nerve impulse. So it leads to which one? The hallucination. Even it is also causes that one, euphoria. Strong feeling of happiness is called euphoria. Clear? So these are about the 3 type of the drugs, but their effects you have to remember. Why? Because statement type questions they can give. Statement type of the questions. Okay, the following effects are regarding about opioids like this, or the following effects are regarding about cannabinoids. The following is regarding about coca alkaloids, like that they can ask in your examination. Okay, can you speak that one? What is the effects of opioids? Opioids first effect is slow down the body functions, and it causes which one? The depression. It is also completely binds to the opioid receptors in our CNS and GIT. What about coca alkaloid? Sorry, cannabinoids. Cannabinoids are commonly what it causes? It causes that one same. It can also bind to the brain, and it causes that one cardiovascular disorders, means diseases, bronchitis and lung cancer also. And one more important thing, generally some of the members are they are taking these drugs intravenously. one group irutte, drug addicted group. A drug addicted groups, okay now, one person, if they will brought that one, the drugs means what, one person, okay now. So another person, either directly they have to inject it into their veins, but in that one they are using the needles, correct? Some by injection also they are taking, but in that time already one AIDS patient is there in that group, means what is the syringe or what is the needle they are used, same that needle also completely used by healthy person, it will be transmitted. So it leads to the transmission of HIV, AIDS type of the, and even hepatitis type of some of the disease also may can transferred freely from person to person also by this. Clear? So take care of your health. Okay. So there are three types. Coca alkalides. What is the coca alkalides main function? It is hallucination. That one. Plus, it is also called euphoria. Euphoria. Okay. You already know the names of that plants. Already you learn properly in your board examination. Okay. Okay. Now, one more drugs also we can discuss. One more drugs also we can discuss. You see, not only coca alkaloids, some other plants, products also it causes a hallucination. Can you speak out which plants are causes hallucination? That is called datura. Next one, Atropa belladonna. Atropa belladonna. I think 2016 or 2017 in the NEET examination, these datura plant they are given. Datura plant they are given, and the above figure, okay, or which type of drugs we can obtain anta kottidru. So that's why, what is the name of the drugs? Hallucinations. Okay, so that is, it is commonly giving that one the hallucination to the persons, that is datura and Atropa belladonna. So direct plant's name, plant diagram also they are given. Understood? That's why don't leave single diagram also from your textbook. Even the cannabinoids only one leaf they are given, one leaf they are given. Cannabis sativa, generally calling as sun hemp, we can call sun hemp. This plant from leaves, okay, from leaves also we are getting cannabinoids. From leaves also we are getting cannabinoids. Okay, so that is, so four different type of drugs are there. Drugs also we can use in the our health. Can you speak out what are the name of the drugs? That is called barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, amphetamines, okay, diazepines. Next one, what about the fourth one? LSD. Yes, LSD full form, lysergic acid diethylamide. Very very important now, many times, two times repeated in your previous competitive examination. The full form of the LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide. So these are about one of the drug anta helbodu. But the LSD we are extracting from one of the fungus. One of the fungus we are extracting this LSD. That is, what is the name of the fungus? Do you know? That is called Claviceps purpurea. Claviceps purpurea. Claviceps purpurea. From this fungus we are extracting which one? LSD. So totally barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines and lysergic acid diethylamide. Okay, so it is completely used, it is will be also completely prescribed by the doctors. Okay, what is the function of this one? It is completely used in health. Okay, so to cope up what? Yes, to cope up, yes, mental illness, insomnia. Next one in the depression. ಈ ಮೂರು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ನಿ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ these are the drugs also we are commonly using. Okay, barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines and lysergic acid diethylamide we are commonly using in health. In health also we can using, means what we can cure that one, these mental illness, insomnia and depression. Clear? So these are the complete drugs, different type of drugs and what is their effect is complete. After that, we can discuss about some of the what we have to discuss. That is called smoke. Smoke. Next one is smoking now. Smoking. In this smoking, mainly tobacco products. Correct? Tobacco products are mainly causing, okay, different type of effects to our body. So mainly in which way the tobacco products are we are taking? Either by smoking or either by chewing, either by snoring also. Correct? By snoring also, because some of the tobacco products like gutka is completely chewing that one. The different way methods and tobacco products are we are consuming. Correct? So if you are consuming the tobacco products, come on, what type of changes are all we can observe in that person? Come on. Yes, mainly those are chewing and smoking also. First of all, which cancer? Oral cancer or throat cancer or lung cancer or even urinary bladder cancer also will may happen. Urinary bladder, in the urinary bladder also cancer tumors are completely may found. This is about the first effect. What about second effect? Because in the smoking, Nelly already know. Okay, nicotine is alkaloid is present. What is the function of nicotine alkaloid? It is increasing the adrenaline and noradrenaline hormones in our body. The adrenaline, noradrenaline both are called catecholamines. Remember? Catecholamines. The catecholamines are increasing the which one? Blood pressure in our body. Increasing the blood pressure and increasing the breathing also. That is a major damage to our body. The third one, if you are smoking more and more, what will be happen? Come on, which concentration increases in our body? Monoxide concentration, carbon monoxide concentration increases. If it is increases, what will be happen? Yes, oxygen concentration decreases. Correct. So carbon monoxide concentration increases, oxygen concentration is decreases. If oxygen concentration decreases in our body, automatically our brain also not work effectively, because our brain is consuming around 30% of the body oxygen. So 25 to 30% of the body oxygen consumed by our brain. That's why what is the blood is translocated to the our brain. In that one also carbon dioxide is there. That's why that person is become even unconscious also. It leads to, that's why those are mainly exposing with that one the more pollution also, not only smoking, even more pollution also. So they are more exposing that, it is also causes unconsciousness also. Got it? So these are about the different effects of the smoking or tobacco abuse. Tobacco abuse. Clear? Any other? Yes. Today's